So tonight we are going to talk about um, how to file your taxes for free. I'm an immigrant nurse in the US and I arrived here May of 2021. By January or February of May 2022, I have to file my own taxes. So when you arrive here in the US, you have to file your own taxes. It's not the same with what we have in the Philippines, where mostly our employer will give us our W-2. We just have to sign it. And after we sign it, and they're the ones who are going to file it in BIR, Bureau of Internal Revenue. Unless you have your own business outside of your main job, you are the one to have to file it in the BIR offices. But here in the US, you have to file it your own. So your employer will give you a W 2, which details all your taxes for a particular year. And you have to file it either online or you may need to ask someone to file it for you. When I first arrived here in the US, there are some friends of mine and colleagues who would say that just go to H&R Block. And H&R Block, by the way, is a tax company. They're helping you, they will help you to file your taxes. So I went to H&R Block per most of my friends' recommendation. So I went there and they asked me for my W 2. So I have my W 2, my SSN ID number, and everything. And I was thinking that this agent or this lady will be able to explain to me how to file everything. But what she did is she just literally entered each boxes asked online. And then after that, she asked for my bank details on where are they going to send my refund, and then print my taxes. And that's it. She printed my taxes, put it in a nice folder, and I have to pay her $100 just to key in all the things in my W 2, which I would know that I can do it by myself. So the second tax season, since I only have my main income is only through W two. So through W two, and then I added some HSA account, and I also have 1099 from my index funds with Vanguard. So um, I tried TurboTax because they said TurboTax it's an online, blah blah blah. And then when I proceeded, it will ask me for a payment of at least $30 or depends on the add-ons that you'd like to do. And then I got frustrated and I said, why I have to pay it? I'm just filing my tax. So I went online, Google, and was able to find a website, an online website where they will you just have to literally sign up there and file your W 2. This software will not ask you for any payment at the end. So I have been using this for 2 consecutive years now, and so far they've done the basics. I mean, I was able to file my taxes without any issues. It's just everything is self-explanatory. You just have to key in your W 2. Either you have any other side jobs, your 1099, your HSA if you have HSA, and you just have also to make sure that you file all your charitable donations. And by the way, um, one of the charitable donations is actually your tithes. So I'm so blessed on the one of the churches that I'm attending here. Although I'm not often attending this church, this particular church, their pastor sent me a letter last January with all the tithes that I have given to them accounted for. So you can also add that as in your taxes as a charitable donation. So I was so glad because I'm so encouraged to like um, give tax because I know that the government is considering it as a charitable donation. So it's gonna lessen the total of taxes that you will be paying. So now the question is, this is what I'm saying is only applicable for immigrants who are single. But if you're married, you can also try this app that I'm talking about. Um, I'm not endorsing this, but I'm just sharing with you that this worked for me for the past 2 years without me paying anything, without me paying any single dollar or single cents on that particular app. And I'm encouraging the immigrants, especially for the new nurses here in the US. If your income is through W 2, I would highly suggest you to like try filing your own taxes so that you will understand what's going on instead of always asking someone else to file it for you. Probably if you have a lot of income streams, which is very complicated, that's the time that you will be able to talk to an accountant. But it gives you confidence, and you will learn if you file it your own. So, what's this app, Cat? Link below. All right, because I'm not gonna say in this vlog what kind of app I'm using, but I'm just sharing with you um, that I've been using this for 2 consecutive tax seasons now, and I get my refund, and I'm learning. So I hope you learned something on this vlog, um, and share it to others too, so they would be able to save money. Thank you guys, and have a good night. Share this to everyone. Bye bye.